Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best padlocks for your storage needs, the DELSWIN 4-digit combination disc padlock. Whether you're securing a shed, a storage unit, or even a school locker, this padlock promises durability and reliability. Let's explore why it stands out in the market. Now, what makes the DELSWIN padlock such a standout choice? Let's break it down. First off, durability. Constructed with hardened steel, this padlock is built to withstand the elements from rain to extreme temperatures. The steel shackle offers extra cut resistance, ensuring your belongings stay safe. Setting your own combination is a breeze with its 4-digit design, offering up to 10,000 possible codes for added security. No keys to lose, just peace of mind knowing your valuables are protected. The round shielded design minimizes exposure to potential bolt cutter attacks, making it a robust choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether it's your backyard shed, a storage unit downtown, or your gym locker, the DELSWIN padlock fits right in. It's designed to work seamlessly in any environment, offering reliability when and where you need it most. Plus, let's talk customer service. DELSWIN prides itself on exceptional support. If you ever have questions or concerns, their friendly team is just a call away, ensuring your experience is nothing short of excellent. Still not convinced? Let's hear from others who've put this padlock to the test. As you can see, the DELSWIN padlock earns high marks across the board for its durability, ease of use, and overall value. So, there you have it, the DELSWIN 4-digit combination disc padlock. Your go-to solution for securing everything from storage units to school lockers. With its robust build, weather-resistant features, and user-friendly design, it's clear why this padlock stands out as one of the best in its class. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, stay secure and stay tuned.